Hello, my name's Jorge from Facro. I'm going to present a solution for openings on sloping roofs in passive house projects. For this, we propose the FTT window by Facro. It's a passive house product with quadruple or triple glazing in non-identified or non-certified products, but which comply the conditions or requirements of the majority of passive house projects in Spain. And we'll see exactly how this product can be applied together with its characteristics adapted to passive house principles, as we'll see here. We'll begin with thermal insulation. In this case, the transmittance of the installed product is 0.58 thermal transmittance. Therefore, the transmittance is very low compared with the standard window, less than half. And thermal insulation is evidently a key factor. So, for this purpose, this window has a much thicker wood frame for revolving windows and also quadruple glazing. The installation also has TGI separators instead of the traditional spacer made of steel, which will conduct much more temperature. And in the graph we can see that in low temperature conditions of minus 15 degrees on the exterior, we can increase indoor temperature substantially. In this way, we can ensure that the opening is not a weak point in the building envelope, and we can maintain thermal continuity. In terms of the absence of thermal bridges, the key in this case will be the type of installation. Therefore, this product will always come with an installation kit and a sealer or seal flashing for the joints between the window and the exterior finishing. It consists in a type of insulation that will be placed around the window and also waterproof sheeting or membrane to maintain it dry on the interior and exterior. On the exterior, it will be breathable to expel any condensation which may accumulate on the insulation, and finally, internally, a vapor barrier to maintain it as dry as possible. As regards airtightness, the product has 5 waterproof airtight joints which will support the airtightness of the exterior aluminium frame, as we can see here, elements 4 and 5. At the end of the day, the aim is to achieve the best airtightness possible in these type of projects, which would be class 4 in this case, according to EU standards. And as regards solar radiation control, we offer a wide range of accessory products for exterior solar radiation, the most recommended one being exterior solar radiation protection, either a blind to provide shade or an awning to filter light and maintain privacy on the interior of the space. And through this solar radiation protection, we have an accessory that we can operate remotely, either using a remote control or an app. In addition, we can also operate automatically. So the sensor that comes with the product will activate, or in other words, roll out or roll in the blind or awning depending on irradiation or temperature. If temperature or irradiation passes the maximum limits established, then the accessory will be deployed or activated, thus reducing solar radiation on the glass, on the glazing. And similarly, if the temperature falls below a minimum, because we can set a minimum temperature or solar radiation, then the accessory will roll up, thus allowing us to take advantage of solar radiation on that opening. Therefore, the opening can be small, we can we don't have to be worried about thermal bridges, and it can also be larger where we can take greater advantage of that solar radiation. And that's the end of the presentation. If you have any queries, then you can contact me. There's my contact details, and I'll leave you with Facro's website as well, where you can send any queries to. Thank you very much for your attention and look forward to seeing you soon.